Tonight, in the number 19 Napa Auto Care Chevrolet from Greenville, New York, Christian Eckes. Lining up 34th, driving the number 18 Toyota Chevrolet from San Bernardino, California, Tyler Ankrum. Starting 33rd, in the number 22 Moorcore Drilling Services Ford from Eagle River, Alaska, Keith McGee. Starting 32nd in the number 46 Customers Bank Chevrolet from Trinity, North Carolina, Thad Moffitt. He starts 31st tonight in the number 67 Forgotten Coast K9 Toyota from Morrisville, North Carolina, Jeffrey Earnhardt. Firing off 30th in the number 76 A&M Premier Roofing Chevrolet from St. Louis, Missouri, Spencer Boyd. Starting 29th in the 02 Ranco Chevrolet from Douglasville, Georgia, Mason Massey. Tonight, starting 28th in the number 20 Laredo Trailer Supply Chevrolet from Corpus Christi, Texas, Memphis Villarreal.
What number?
Lining up 27th in the number 32 Precision Garage Door Chevrolet from Munford, Alabama, Brett Holmes. He's going to fire off 26th in the number 56 Coble Enterprises Units Toyota from Fort Tobacco, Maryland, Timmy Hill. Firing up 25th, the number 66 T-Sport Ford from Fredericksburg, Virginia, Connor Jones. They'll start 24th tonight in the number 21 U.S. Off-Market Real Estate Deals Ford from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, Mason Maggio. He's 23rd in the number 75 Popsales.com Chevrolet from Cornelius, North Carolina, Stephen Parsons. Starting 22nd tonight, the number 88 Chris Menard's Ford from Tulare, California, Matt Crampton.
Oh, Matt.
Lining up 21st tonight in the number 33 Auto Charging Ford from Van Nuys, California, Lawless Allen.
Where's the truck?
He'll start 20th in the number 25 Rackley Roofing Chevrolet from Welcome, North Carolina, Ty Dillon. Tonight, firing off 19th in the number 1 Destiny Homes Toyota from Grimes, Iowa, Brett Moffitt. We'll start at 18th tonight in the number 13 Plaza Services Ford from Monroe, Georgia, Jake Garcia. Lining up 17th in the number 9 Grant County Mulch Chevrolet from Fairhope, Alabama, Grant Infinger. He'll start 16th tonight, driving the number 2 Gamebridge Chevrolet from Miami, Florida, Nick Sanchez. Tonight, starting 15th Driving the number 42 JF Electric Unilara Chevrolet from New Philadelphia, Ohio, Matt Mills.
Woo!
He starts 14th in the number 17 JBL Toyota from Denver, North Carolina, Taylor Gray.
Woo!
You'll see him starting 13th tonight, driving the number 99 Camper Z RV Ford from Louisville, Kentucky, Ben Rhodes. Tonight, lining up 12, driving the number 52 Halmar International Toyota from Niagara-on-the-Lake, Ontario, Canada, Stuart Friesen. He lines up 11th, driving the number 5 Thompson Type Group Toyota from Anaheim, California, Dean Thompson. And now, race fans, are you ready to meet your top 10 drivers? Lining up 10th in the number 41 Foundation for Pop Chevrolet from Brentwood, Texas, Bailey Curry. Starting 9th in the number 45 RD Shoes Company Chevrolet from Willows Park, Texas, Caden Honeycutt. Tonight, starting 8th in the number 91 Kinetic Gasket Pop Chevrolet from Loomis, California, Jack Wood. Lining up 7th in the number 7 Pinnacle Racing Group Chevrolet from Charlotte, North Carolina, Connor Mofax. Starting 6th tonight in the number 77 Baba Buggy Chevrolet from Meridian, Mississippi, Chase Purdy. Firing off 5th in the number 38 Infinity Communications Group Ford from Bahama, North Carolina, Lane Riggs. We're starting at 4th in the number 71 HybriDCars.com Chevrolet from Washington, D.C., Raja Karut. Firing out 3rd in the number 98 Somerset's Curve Records Ford from Seymour, Wisconsin, Ty Majeski. Lining up 2nd, driving number 11 Saint Light Toyota from Marietta, Georgia, Corey Hive. And firing off in the top position, driving number 15 Dead On Tools Toyota from Morrisville, North Carolina, Tanner Gray. And there you